I'm Scott Stive from Ergo Chef, and I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite soups, pasta fagioli. I'm going to start prepping my veggies using the Crimson Series chef knife, and we're starting off with the celery. It's a medium dice.
Then we're going to use up our one medium-sized onion and dice that up about the same size as the celery. And then we're going to peel our garlic and dice that to a small dice size. And take your half a pound of bacon and cut it into strips and then into medium-sized dice. And get all your mise en place, all your ingredients together, so we're ready to build the soup. Add the bacon in the pan, onions, celery, and add the garlic. Until the bacon gets rendered down and the vegetables are cooked. And we're going to add our chicken stock, our whole peeled tomatoes, and our seasonings. Stir that up a little bit, and then going to bring that to a little bit of a boil. Then we're going to add our beans and our pasta. Put the lid back on, and 15 minutes. Add the cheese. Stir it. And you're ready to plate. Our soup is ready to enjoy. I like to top it off with a little bit of extra cheese. Enjoy pasta fagioli.